I come from a computers background, so I didn't know what I wanted to do then, but I only knew that what I didn't want to do. So, which is, I didn't want to get into the technology department. Hello, everybody. I am the co-founder and CMO at Incubes. So, Incubes is the world's first OTT platform around startup ecosystem, as you said. So, here we bring the short form and the long form content. By everybody who's involved in this ecosystem. It could be a startup founder or an investor or a mentor, social entrepreneur, enabler, everybody, every stakeholder who's part of this ecosystem. So this idea popped onto us because we were into GTM. We used to do go-to-market strategies for the startups. There, we could see a huge gap between the startups and investors. The biggest challenge was the visibility. We thought this has to be covered, and the only way that we found was Incubes. With Incubes, we are actually solving 5 major challenges which are contributing to the 90% of failure rate that is in the ecosystem currently, which is user acquisition, retention, having strategic partnerships, collaborations, and majorly that bridge, the visibility bridge that we don't have between the investors and the startups. So with our investor login option, anybody across the world can register themselves as an investor, and they'll be able to see the pitches that are available on Incubes. And they can see Incubes is a playbook for the aspiring entrepreneurs. And when you're measuring the impact, it has to be both. It has to be both ways. One is tangible and one is intangible. So tangibility is always seen with your views, reach, revenue, whatever. But intangible is the impact. You don't know it's created, because for us in
may be exponential later.
Yeah, from the Incubes family, there are 3 kids who got identified by a Mumbai investor company and invested in 3 of their companies. They're kids, 11, 12 and 13 years from Chennai. And somebody said after watching videos on Incubes, they realized that they were not ready to do a startup yet. They have to be enough prepared. So, and I think this kind of impact when somebody shares feels like, yes, these are not told, these can't be measured, but yeah, this is more important.